So they've torn the Boston Bridge apart, and we've all gotten the updates on the progress of the Boston Bridge reconstruction efforts as well as the redecking efforts. And this is a section in the last 1/3 of the bridge where they have yet to resurface the bridge. So the decking has all been torn off, and this is a steel girdering that is actually the bottom floor of the bridge itself. So you walk up along here, you can see it's right here where they're beginning to put the new steel decking down. Steel I-beams that are in place.